Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today, I'll be going over how to use Google Bard as a Chinese translator. So let's get started. First, open your browser and type bard.google.com. If you haven't logged in yet, then I suggest that you log in first. To kickstart the process, just paste the Chinese text into the chat. To unveil the mystery, hit the enter key after stating, "Translate this in English." A smart approach indeed. Google Bard swiftly and skillfully presents the English translation, extracting the hidden significance within the Chinese words. However, the exploration of languages doesn't conclude there. If your curiosity leads you to translate an English phrase into Chinese, the process remains consistently enjoyable. Repeat the formula by saying, "Translate this into Chinese," and inputting the relevant English text. Witness Google Bard's effortless response as it furnishes the suitable Chinese translation. While the tool's capabilities are certainly impressive, it is important to note that accuracy may vary, particularly in complex or delicate language usage. As a wise precaution, seeking a secondary opinion is often recommended. That's it. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.